Visual content plays a crucial role in brand recognition as it helps to create a memorable and distinctive identity for a brand. With the increasing use of social media and digital platforms, the visual elements of a brand, such as logos, color schemes, and imagery, are essential in capturing the attention of consumers and leaving a lasting impression. The key elements of impactful visual content include strong composition, compelling storytelling, vivid colors, and engaging visuals that resonate with the target audience. Great visual content should evoke emotions and leave a lasting impression on the viewer. Storytelling is a powerful tool in visual content creation, as it helps to engage and connect with the audience on a deeper level. By weaving narratives into the visuals, content creators can elicit emotions, convey messages, and leave a lasting impact. Color psychology plays a significant role in visual content, influencing mood, emotions, and perception. Brands use specific colors to evoke certain feelings and convey messages to their audience. Consistency and authenticity are crucial in visual branding as they create a strong and recognizable identity for a brand, fostering trust and loyalty among consumers. Visual platforms and channels play a crucial role in brand recognition as they provide a dynamic and engaging way to showcase a brand's identity, values, and products to a wide audience. Use high-quality images and engaging graphics to grab the audience's attention. Concluding with a call to action is crucial in encouraging the audience to take the desired steps, whether it's making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, or sharing the content. It provides a clear direction and motivates the viewers to engage with the brand.